Hi all. In this talk, I want to give four facts, calling them fact A, fact B, fact C, fact D, and I shall also give observations that hover around these facts. These four facts may be treated as axioms that summarizes the geometric intuition whose darshan one should have before getting initiated into geometry. I shall also define line and plane at the end of this talk as bonus. If we ask small kid to draw a point, she will do it with pencil tip without any doubt. Each one of us know what a point is even though nobody can define it, including God. But we can give a description of point. A point has no size, no shape but has position in space. Particle, an important thing in physics, is defined as point with mass. Now, suppose a point moves in space. What is the path traced by this point? It is obvious that it is a curve. This is the first fact. Fact A. Path traced by a point is a curve. Any curve can be regular or irregular, straight or not straight, closed or not, finite or infinite. The boundary of an open finite curve are points. How many points? Next. What is the path traced by a curve? Imagine. This is fact B. Fact B. Path traced by a curve is a surface, except in one case. Surface is regular or not, flat or not, closed or not, finite or not. The boundary of open finite surface is a curve, closed curve. Fact C. The path traced by a surface is a spatial region, except in one case. Spatial region, also called solid, may be regular or not, closed or not, finite or not. The boundary of finite spatial region is a closed curve. Sir Kingford Clifford, in an essay called The Postulates of the Science of Space, takes the example of water in a glass to illustrate some of the above facts. This essay is available in the famous 4-volume World of Mathematics. Now, fact D. Curve, surface, solid, if they are finite, has measures associated with them called length, area, and volume respectively. So these four facts are to be visited before anybody should start getting into geometry. As I promised in the beginning, I am defining line and plane. Line is a straight curve, plane is a flat surface. Line may be straight line or line segment or ray. Similarly, plane may be half plane or bounded plane or full plane. Thank you.